If you want to hide public post notifications on Facebook, then let me show you how to do it using the Facebook app on your PC. First of all, open the Facebook app on your PC, then click on your profile picture at the top right to open the menu. After that, click on Settings and Privacy, and then choose Settings. Now, from the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on Followers and Public Content. Now, look for an option called Public Post Notifications. It might be set to public by default, and to change it, click on it and select your preferred options like Friends of Friends or Only Me, depending on who you want to allow notifications from. And once that's done, click on Save and you will stop getting notifications from people you don't want. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.